Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best quality garbage disposal in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Waste King Garbage Disposal. This is a well-known brand that is popular for its affordable products. We have included such affordable garbage disposal from Waste King. In the first position, we have the most budget-friendly option from our list. This garbage disposal is powered by a high-speed 1/2 HP motor that is capable of up to 2,600 RPM. It is a permanent magnet motor that is decent as they rarely jam. You can also hook up a dishwasher to this garbage disposal so that all the waste, along with dirty water, will be disposed of right away via the disposal. You can get it cleaned up pretty fast as it has a removable flash guard for easy cleaning. The material used for the outer body is rated for corrosion resistance that is needed as there is continuous contact with water. As for the installation, you will not need any electrical experts to do so. The pre-installed power cord makes it as easy as a plug-and-play device. The grind chamber capacity is 27.3 ounces. Hence, you should not worry about food clogging in the sink easily. Number 2. Our second best pick is InSinkErator Garbage Disposal. It is a very popular brand that has a lot of highly rated products under its belt. Here is great garbage disposal from InSinkErator. In the second position, we have this garbage disposal. It is a 1/2 HP DuraDrive induction motor powered garbage disposal that has a 1725 RPM motor speed rating. The outer body is made up of galvanized steel components so that it has a reliable rust resistance as well as fatigue resistance. It is currently the highest selling brand in the United States when it comes to garbage disposal. If you have an old model of this garbage disposal, you can simply get this as an upgrade and replace the older one with ease. It gets as simple as twisting off the older one and twisting in the newer model. From meal prep to cleanup, this one helps make it fast and easy to keep your kitchen clean with our iconic appliances, garbage disposals and instant hot water dispensers. Number 3. Our third best pick is Maid Garbage Disposal. This is rather an unfamiliar name for many users. Still, you should check out this powerful garbage disposal from Maid. At the third position, we have very powerful garbage disposal from Maid. It houses a high-powered 1¼ HP permanent magnet motor that has a very high speed rating of 2,700 RPM. It is one of the anti-jam motors along with stainless steel impellers to prevent corrosion. The power cord available with this garbage disposal is around 3 feet long so that you can easily plug it in even if the socket is a bit far from your sink. The important feature of this garbage disposal is the silver guard security that catches any metal parts with the help of a magnet so that it does not damage crucial parts of the machine. There is a special torque master grinding system for churning down the waste materials that allows balanced impeller action and lesser vibration in operation. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Moen Garbage Disposal. Moen has not gained popularity in the market recently, but that might change due to its reliable options such as this garbage disposal. Next up, we have the most reliable garbage disposal in our list of the best garbage disposals. It houses a 3/4 HP permanent magnet motor that is slightly better than the standard motors. It has an RPM rating of 2,700 RPM that allows it to quickly and efficiently grind the waste items. It has universal express mount fits that allow you to easily install it on your sink. In case you have a problem with pre-installed wiring, you can remove the power cord and rewire it as you wish. It has a special sound shield that reduces the noise by a significant amount. Hence, you can have a quiet operating garbage disposal system on your sink. It also houses a removable splash guard that comes in handy to properly clean the garbage disposal. It has a polished stainless steel drain stopper that provides great corrosion resistance. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is GO Continuous Feed Disposal. It is a very underrated brand in the market when it comes to household items. Still, you can get a high-performance garbage disposal from GE. Here is another standard 1/2 HP motor garbage disposal. It can provide a very high speed of operation, which is up to 2,800 RPM. It is also a permanent magnet motor that is known for its jam-free operation. The installation procedure is pretty simple because of the easy mount system. It comes with a removable splash guard that is needed to be removed for properly cleaning the device. Also, there is a stopper that is included in the package. A large capacity feeder on this one will allow you to keep the grinding running continuously at high speed for a flawless operation. It also includes stainless steel jam-resistant dual swivel impellers for the best possible performance. It has a 2-level pre-cutter to ensure that the waste products are properly grounded so that it does not choke up the pipeline further down. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.